Today we want to share 4 lessons we learned about creating your dream project. As we're creating our own, we're learning lessons from people along our way, like this organic farm in Costa Rica. But wait, before we get to the beautiful images, first some pictures of this farm from November last year when they started. For years their family has been dreaming about having a farm of their own. They fell in love with this one, but both the house as well as the domain were in quite a bad shape. Now you're ready for us to show the farm 6 months later, after a lot of hard work and determination. This is the dream project called Casa Assisi. This sign has so much meaning. It embodies a spirit of generosity, of welcoming. Together with their whole family, we got to witness them putting up this sign right in front of the farmhouse. And it was truly this day filled with joy. A couple of months ago, we asked to collaborate on our Unleashing of Potential tour, and they were the first to say yes. Organizing a retreat meant for them a new opportunity opening up. It truly triggered so much potential between both of us to just come out. It was amazing to see it from up close. However, year 1 of an organic farm is hard. A lot of expenses and little income. If you want to grow crops in an organic way, it takes time. However, all those animals need to keep on eating and they want food in their bowls. This farm truly gives a home to animals in need. Every animal at this farm seems to have its own story. Sometimes rescued from putting to sleep, or people who can't afford to maintain them anymore. With love, they keep taking them in. A pig shelter was made from local bamboo where it now enjoys its time playing in the mud and indulging on fruit. Or a goat that likes to be hand-fed and will just lick the food off of your hand. Or these newly born chicks who need the extra care and nurture. Hard work is put into giving them all a home.
This place offered us 4 big lessons about creating your dream project. Lesson 1. Keep your eye in the direction you are heading. It probably won't look the way you have it in mind, and that's okay. Trust that it will work out just fine. Lesson 2. Dare to take the leap. Despite the critique of people telling you some things are impossible, just keep believing in your project. Lesson 3. Stay strong together as a team and surround yourself with people who support you. And Lesson 4. The project will probably be bigger than you even thought, but you solve problems along the way, not before they come. This is the first of many stories. Keep subscribing for more insights along the way.